video, I'm demonstrating how to perform a barbell back squat. With the weight on your shoulders, step back from the supports. Your feet should be slightly wider than hip width apart. You want to flex your stomach, squeeze your glutes, inhale deeply into your stomach, and then move your butt back and squat down slowly. At no point should you ever come up on your toes. Make sure to keep the weight distributed in your heels or towards the backside of your body. After your set is complete, walk carefully forward to return the weight to the rack and then lower it safely onto the supports.